go. Heading north on Wolven's Lane then, the beginning. So, still heading north, Wolven's Lane, left hand fork. We're gonna move to the right, follow the track. After about 10 minutes walking, you'll come to a split in the path, and we want to go left. First of the hills, catch the deer. There we go, look at that. Up through the woods, off you go, and another one. Wicked. Oh God, I'm out of breath already. Being locked up for 3 months. Whew, not good for you. Told you I was out of breath. First hill. So, top of the first hill, back out onto Wolven's Lane, turn right. And that is a very, very old beech tree. Magnificent, I suppose is the word. So if it's there for a few more years yet, eh? Still heading north up Wolven's Lane. That's the field where we used to go raving. Somebody's paddock now. Get in trouble if you do it these days. A while down the lane, Wolven's cottage. Wouldn't you just love to live there? Apparently it's a holiday home, but I've not been able to find it on the internet anywhere. So, Wolven Cottage Stables. And follow the road. Road? Did I say road? I meant boat. Byway open to all traffic. You can keep following the road ahead. It goes all the way through to Wootton. We're going to branch off left. A little bit of zigzagging. Going to find some more hills. And a little track. Crossroads. Straight ahead. And down we go. Now a little crossroads. Still following the track ahead. Through the stile, take the path to the left. Oh, a bit of a hill. Let's get some cardio going. Okay, watch your footing down here. Quite a lot of broken roots. When it's wet, it's really, really slippery, so just go easy. You'll know you're nearly at the pond, because whatever time of year it is, there's a boggy bit here, constantly wet, stinks to high heaven. Dogs love it though. There's the pond, and we're in luck. Swans. Yeah, not too worried. Lovely place to live though, again. Babbling Brook or Babbling Walker, you decide. Okay, end of the path, turn right, and this brings us back out, or brings us out onto Green Sands Way, again heading north towards Broadmoor and Wootton. There you go. Tilling Springs, that's what it's called. And we're turning right onto Greensands Way. Oh. Still on Greensands Way. This is Henman's Bunkhouse, I believe. There you go, Henman Bunkhouse. Probably a good little place to go when it's open for a little weekend away in the woods. So we're still heading on Greensand Way, and then you'll see public right of way. We're turning to the right down towards Simon's Cottage and Tillingbourne Cottage. And we said about hills, what goes down must go up. Or something like that. Simon's Cottage. Tillingbourne Cottage. And here we go. Another hill. We love it. See it at the top. So, a little way up. This is part of the Leith. And this runs all the way along through the Wootton estate, and eventually it goes down to fill the waterfall, 5-tiered waterfall, and then down into the fisheries further down below that. Back up the hill. Yeah. So out of breath, but feels good. At the top of that little hill, turn to the right, look over in the distance for the gap in the trees, and you'll see Leith Hill Tower. That's our end game. But for now, carry on up to the path. We're going to go through the woods, and we're going to come back out on Wolven's Lane. Yeah, through the old gate posts. And the best way up, turn left. You can go right and join up with Wolven's Lane a little bit earlier, but this way you keep out of the way of all the 4x4s, the motorbikes and the mountain bikers using the main track. Oh, here we go. Mind your step. Back out onto Wolven's Lane. Off-road, yeah, motorbike, yeah. Driving through the woods, you're a and here comes the rain, but there's still blue sky. Do I care? Not really. I'm just glad to be out. Still on Wolven's Lane. Nice little trig point here. Margaret Lovelace and Tony Parker, founding members of Kingston Ramblers, eh? All well and good. God bless their souls. I'm not a rambler. I'm a hiker. Give me heels. Bottom of the hill. Take a quick left through the anti barriers. And you'll see, well, there was a stile last time I came down here, but it looks like it has been repaired. It just seems to be a bit of a gap at the side for the portly belly. End of the track, over the stile, and we are back onto Greensands Way, and we're turning left. That's south, heading south now on Greensands Way, heading for Broadmoor. Still heading towards Broadmoor. Mandrake's Cottage on your left. Occasionally you'll see the wood piles a little bit further up from the Wootton estate. Just keep following the path. Nearly at Broadmoor. You can have to the right. You'll see all the little weirs. Hello.
Oh my God.
Hello. He's low, isn't he?
Thank you.
Where is it?
Join the mud. Has he been in there, has he?
She has, yeah.
Oh, she has.
It's a tennis ball now.
Oh.
Where is it?
Oh, look it. Oh no.
And there is the secret waterfall. There's the stables, Broadmoor Lane, at the centre path, the road, up past the cottages, and then we find more hills. We love it. For the mountain bikers that are going to stick to the paths. End of the lane. Whiteberry Cottage, last house on the right. And we're going back into the woods. And a nice long drag of a climb for you. End of the path, still climbing, sun going down in the west. And we're turning right. Following the track, you can see it bears round sharp right. We're turning left, continue on up the Summer Lightning. Two options. You can follow the track ahead, nice slow gradual climb all the way up to the tower, or you can turn left and we can go down into the valley again and climb up Snakes Hill. A bit more cardio. Through the middle, and I do believe we're back on the Greensands Way. We're going to turn right and climb all the way to the top. Yeah, nearly there. To the right, Snakes Hill, and turning right. Here we go, cheeky little climb before the tower. This is the one that's going to hurt. Mind your step. Running is a young person's game, especially up bloody hills. Back out on the Summer Lightning, Snakes Hill, down that way. And we're nearly at the tower. Little walk, one last little climb, and we're there. Time for lunch, dinner, tea, whatever. I'm starving. There we go. Highest point in Surrey. And there she is. There's the tower. That's the view today. Sweaty mess.